How would it feel to wake up in a place that feels like your home? Nuwara is a place that feels like a dream and has always been my favorite. Every time I visit here, I feel at home. Its cool climate and breathtaking beauty are impossible for me to forget. Every year, millions of people come to Nuwara. Yet for me, each visit feels like the very first time. I have been here many times on my bike, and every ride still feels magical. After a long and refreshing ride, I spent the night in Nuwara. Now I'm back on the road and heading towards two stunning waterfalls. My first stop is Dunsinan Waterfall, located in Noia. Noia is a small and beautiful village in the Nuwara district. Every turn of the road brings a new glimpse of nature's calm and refreshing beauty. The roadside scenery is stunning, surrounded by beautiful trees and tea estates. Riding along this road makes the journey itself feel scenic and atmospheric. The ride from Nuwara to Dansin Waterfall takes about an hour. Dunsinan Waterfall is probably one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Sri Lanka, and most people have it on their bucket list when they visit Nuwara. The waterfall is located on the roadside, so it's very easy to access without any hassle or difficulties. When I see the waterfall from above, it feels like my heart goes down, because my heart always does when I approach a waterfall. Dunsinan Waterfall has become very famous, and most of you have probably visited it. The waterfall is formed by the Noia stream, cascading widely, which makes the waterfall an amazing sight. The height of this waterfall is 100 meters. It is located next to a small Hindu temple, and in the middle of the waterfall, you can also find a Hindu statue. For me, whenever I hear the word waterfall, it brings new happiness. I was enjoying this moment, and it is a memory I will cherish whenever I look back. I feel like the time is never enough to admire this waterfall's beauty. It's so stunning and makes me feel so relaxed. Sometimes you just need to pause your busy life and turn a simple moment like this into an unforgettable memory. Now it's time to move from Dunsinan Waterfall to my next destination. This road is full of amazing sights that will make you admire every moment.
Mau follow mate. Kau jangan. Mau tanya Ramboda follow. Waterfalls. Mana keren lah? Ini company. Company ada. Baik ini mana? Ini. Picture kau ini. Oh. Kamera ada deh. Kamera. Oh. Mera kamera ada. Oh. Yes. Eh gas mana tu? Kan. Lari. Dan kau lawan kan lawan. Me pula deh. Oh. Gas tu dia. Kape. Itu kali dia. Oh. Oh, sudah yang berapa ada? Nah, sudah berapa? Mana ada kan?
I finally reached the Ramboda waterfall entrance. There are many ways to reach Ramboda waterfall, but if you want a closer look, this entrance is the right one. It is roughly a 30-minute hike from the entrance to the waterfall. Most areas of the waterfall path have stairs and the trail is properly cemented, so this hike won't be an issue for anyone who visits. While walking alone, the soothing sound of the waterfall stream can be heard from the start to end. Sometimes being alone feels strange, but for me, it's a good kind of strange because it's just me with no strict plans to follow. I feel a sense of freedom when traveling alone, and it also gives me the self-confidence to boost my energy. The path's surroundings are so beautiful. Even though the hike was a little tiring, I hardly noticed it because the peaceful atmosphere kept me along the way. Ramboda Falls is the 11th highest waterfall in Sri Lanka. With a height of 109 meters, it also has an alternative name, Puna Falls. This waterfall is one of the most famous among foreign travelers and is definitely on their bucket list. The waterfall is even more powerful during the rainy season, and then its majesty is unforgettable. The sound and view of this waterfall brings so many feelings that make my heart feel calm. Since I travel a lot, this feeling is not new to me, but every time it refreshes my mind. These are the moments that remind me travel is not just about exploring new places, but also about discovering our inner self. There is another waterfall near the Ramboda waterfall, but you can see it only from a drone or by going to the upper part of the waterfall. What an amazing combination of nature. I searched on the internet about the other waterfall, but couldn't find any valid information. But seeing both in one frame was absolutely stunning. Most of the surrounding areas are covered by tea plantations, and it's ranked as one of the most expensive tea estates in Sri Lanka. The view of this area is mesmerizing. In the distance, you can see the Kothmale Reservoir, and the waterfall stream eventually contributes to the Mahaveli River, the longest river in Sri Lanka. It was another quality time I spent at Ramboda Waterfall, and the day was well spent exploring these two stunning waterfalls. As everyone says, life is short. You never know what will happen tomorrow, but when you travel and create real memories like these, one day you will realize how truly worth it was. Sometimes I look back at my travel memories and realize how many memories I have collected along the way. So travel as much as you can and live every moment of your life. Thanks for watching and keep supporting.